today's episode we are going to be making a slow cooker peanut curry loaded with lots of vegetables. So let's get started. This is a really quick recipe. It cooks in the slow cooker all day. You chuck everything in there and it's ready for you when you're ready to eat dinner or lunch or whatever it is that you're wanting to make it for. So I want to take you along for the ride. I've made this a number of times and Matt and I really like it, so I wanted to show you how to make it. It's also a great way to be able to clean out some of the vegetables in your fridge or pantry, like potatoes and carrots and onions, if you're wanting to use those up. So let's go. Alright, so I have the insert for my slow cooker here, and the first thing we're going to do is make up the sauce, and then we're going to add the chicken thighs and the vegetables. So to make our sauce, I have, and all of the ingredients are going to be down in the description, so you can go down there and grab them if you want to try this recipe. I have coconut milk. Now mine's a little bit thinner because I have frozen this coconut milk. I tend to find that if I don't use a full 400ml can, which is the standard here that we have in Australia, I will just freeze whatever's left so that I can use it for another recipe. So there we go, we have added our coconut milk. Then we are going to add some lime juice, we're going to add soy sauce, sesame oil, we have some honey, now if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Also let me know, do you like curry recipes? Do you use your slow cooker a lot? Do you want to see more slow cooker recipes on the channel? Then I have some peanut butter. I'm using crunchy, you can use smooth. And for this recipe, I tend to stay away from the ones that don't have any sugar, just because I find that this recipe needs the peanut butter, like the cheap and nasty peanut butter is basically what I'm saying. And then I have some freshly ground ginger. I just use a jarred ginger. I've actually never tried this recipe using ground ginger. I don't know if it would work because I've always used the fresh one or the jarred one. You could try it if you like. And lastly, we have garlic, curry powder, cumin, garam masala, chili flakes, and salt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this all a quick whisk just to get it all nice and incorporated. I love this recipe because it's currently 11 o'clock in the morning at the moment. I'll have it cooking for about 6 hours on low in my slow cooker until Matt gets home, and then we can just serve it up for dinner. You can serve it with rice. I usually just serve it up with papadums because I like papadums with all curry, and we've got the vegetables in there as well, so I find that that's filling enough without adding anything extra. I think that is combined enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my cut chicken thighs. And I'm hoping that I'm going to have enough room for all of my vegetables. Alright, let's go. I think we should be fine. It will cook down even if we're a little bit over. I'm just going to mix them all the way through. So I've got carrot, I've got some thickly sliced onion, and then I have my potato. Okay, so mixing all that through really nicely, just to get everything coated. You can also do this in a bowl. I just don't want to dirty an extra dish, so that's why I'm doing it in the straight in the slow cooker. All right, so that looks to be nicely coated, and that's it. Like literally, that is it. That's all we need to do. I am going to go ahead and move my slow cooker over here so we can put in our curry And all I'm going to do is put the lid on. I'm going to turn that on low, and I'm just going to let it cook for the rest of the day until we're ready for dinner. Once we are ready for dinner, I will bring you back, show you what it looks like, and we can eat. Alright, so with the magic of television, it is now 6 hours later and our curry is fully cooked. You can see if I lift the lid, it's beautiful and bubbly. The only thing that I did was probably about an hour ago, I added a tablespoon of sugar just to balance out the flavors. I thought it wasn't quite sweet enough for the way that we like it. So I added in a tablespoon of sugar. Other than that, it was great. You just want to go in before you serve and balance those seasonings. I did end up, I microwaved some rice, call me lazy, but I keep those microwavable packets, rice packets on hand just for convenience. So I microwaved one of those. I would usually cook it from scratch, but the decision to have rice was a last minute one, so that's why I went with that route. And now all we need to do is serve up. So I have my plate with rice, and here we have our beautiful chicken tenders, our carrot, our potato, and I'm just gonna serve that up. So this is gonna make enough to serve about 4 portions, and the chicken thighs are just so tender after they've been cooking all day. There we go, and we're gonna have enough for, I guess, lunch tomorrow as well. So there we are, 2 delicious bowls of peanut curry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you go ahead and make this for yourself. It's super delicious. I'm gonna go and enjoy this for our dinner. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and I will see you next time for the next episode of Dine at Frugal. Bye.